Hi folks, it's Nessa from Infinitely Zero's channel. Just wanted to go over some happy mail I got today. A nice Yarnalicious box that Mama G Gear sent me. Thank you so much, Mama G. I had made a sweater and she asked if she could buy it, so instead we decided to barter and I had sent it to her, and that she's wearing the sweater during a live, and she also shows it in an unboxing, and I added a few more goodies in there. So thank you so much. It was so exciting to open that today. And I wanted to share what was in the box. So she packed in a bunch of goodies. This really cool yarn bag. So nice. It was so very cool. And some cakes of Big Twist Arcade, the colorway Rust, natural multicolor. It's made in Turkey. It's a bulky 5. It's 100% acrylic, and it's 154 yards or 141 meters and 5.3 ounces or 151 grams. And I actually needed more cakes of this because I have some here, but they I haven't been able to find it anymore. I think Joanne stopped carrying it, so I needed some more to make a project. So that was perfect. Thank you so much. So yeah, so there were 3 of those. Very cool. A nice, beautiful, I've never seen this colorway of Super Saver Ombre. This is the hot sauce color. Beautiful color. Can't wait to use it. And it's 100% acrylic, 482 yards, 440 meters, and it's categorized as a weight 4 yarn and recommended 5.5 millimeter I9 hook. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. And then she added this really cool Love You and Back to the Moon. You can either paint it, decorate it, stitch it. It's a very cool cotton printed fabric. Exciting. Ooh, I wonder if you can also use markers too. Very cool. Thank you. She added some beautiful yarn. 2 of these, they're really nice and soft and pretty. The Carnival Hobby, I've never had it, but it's so pretty. Just beautiful, rich colors. It's made in Denmark. Oh, sorry. Designed in Denmark, made in Turkey. That's really cool. 100 grams, 240 meters, 100% acrylic. The colorway is Carnival. Color 16. It's categorized as a light 3. I think it's machine wash, lay flat to dry, and recommended hook size US 7, G or H. It's a 4 and 4.5 millimeter hook. Just really pretty. And then 2 of these Hobby Universe, 98% acrylic, 2% polyester. Beautiful and sparkly. Just really, really pretty. Those are 100 grams, 462 meters. Recommended same hook size, pretty much an E4. Oh, sorry, thinner, because it's thinner. It's categorized as a 1, but I think it would look great put together with these if I needed it thicker. You know, run these 2 together, that would be really cool. Or run this one with something else. Or by itself. And it's color 13. And there's 505 yards in here in case if I didn't already say that. She definitely jam-packed the bag. And then 2 beautiful Karen Big Cakes. They're 600, I believe, yards each. 10 ounces, 300 grams, 603 yards, or 551 meters, and they're a category weight 4, machine washable and dryable. Very cool. And there was a really cool, neat surprise, which was a mandala sparkle. Very nice. Thank you so much. This was so sweet. And this is actually Mama G's note. I'm really sorry for the mix-up. I was on a live tonight with Juan, and somehow Facebook Live, and my brain just did this weird thing, and I thought things got confused in my brain, and I thought this note was from Juan, but it isn't. It's actually a note from Mama G. So I'm really sorry. I tried to multiple times tell Juan, like, because I typed in the wrong thing because my brain like thought the wrong thing. And then I tried to fix it and tell him that I misunderstood, and then he kept not seeing it. So I'm like, I think I tried more than like 7 times. So I finally emailed him about it. I hope he sees it. I hope he can realize and understand that Mama G did not send his note. She kept that for herself. She sent me my own personal note written from her, which is very special. And also very special that this was Juan's mom's yarn, and it's really pretty. It's beautiful colors. I love these colors. And it's the Astrid colorway, and it's 328 yards, 100 grams, 3.5 ounces, 300 meters. And it's, you know, acrylic, 98% acrylic and 2% polyester, machine washable and dryable. So I sent him an email. Hopefully he'll see it and everything will get cleared up. And pretty much in the note that Mama G wrote was that she mentioned that it's from Mom Wilma's Mystery Bag of Yarn. So definitely do like it. Definitely going to put the note back in here so that I keep them both together. And just really special package filled with goodies. So thank you so much. Bye everyone. Have a good night. And if you like my content, please click like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.